Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas. So I kind of montage most of the day. Today you saw me clean up. We are about to move, so everything is a wreck up in here. This is one of the only places that looks halfway decent. So yeah, I am packing, cleaning, packing, getting rid of stuff. It's just a mess. So this Vlogmas, I started actually on Vlogmas. I was thinking about starting yesterday, but yesterday got completely away from me, and it was just, I felt like there was no way I could even do that. So today, Vlogmas day one. I need to finish creating my intro for Vlogmas. I kind of have it down of what I want, but for Vlogmas, I want a certain picture. So I'm going to be recording a video today, a makeup video, and that picture will be used for my Vlogmas intro because it's like a holiday makeup look, and I think it will go perfect. So yeah, this Vlogmas intro is probably going to be like just a generic, not a generic one, but it's going to be one that I make up, but it's not going to be the permanent one. Tomorrow's vlog will have the permanent Vlogmas intro. So yeah, I just got through doing my hair. I purchased the T3 blow dryer attachment, and it comes with the brush one, and then the I can't even think of the name of this, the round brush with it. So I kind of use that to blow my hair out. I feel it, it's okay. I really want to try it again with the round brush and kind of really get that technique down with the round brush, you know. But it came out really good. I love, it's so soft, it's so silky. I washed my hair with that I washed my hair with Kenra, and then Kenra Gold Line, and then I used the K18, and it made my ends feel so good, even though I did kind of give myself my own little trim, but my ends look so good. So I still have a few split ends, however, it just feels so good, so light, so airy. Adrian, my hairstylist, you would be so proud, because you know I'm good for chopping. I do want to cut some layers in there, so I am probably gonna have to go see her anyways, because I kind of want that little that bang, which I honestly probably could do myself, to be very honest. I know how to do that part, but I really want a lot of layers because everything is the same length. So I just want to add a little bit of, you know, body to it. My hair is almost down to my bum. So yeah, we are going to, I'm gonna try to get this look up, this Christmas look up, because tomorrow's Friday and I have 2 appointments tomorrow. So because we're moving, I had to switch over services. I'm currently with Xfinity, but we're switching over to AT&T Fiber because in the area that we're moving, it's going to be a lot better and a lot quicker. And then my boys and my daughter have like game systems and everybody's streaming, so it'll be way better, way faster, because Xfinity only runs, the whole neighborhood uses Xfinity, and it's only one line per neighborhood, whereas AT&T, everybody has their own line to their house, so it doesn't, your internet speed doesn't rely on how much use is throughout the neighborhood. I hope that makes sense. So I was just setting that up. However, I know tomorrow for sure I have 2 appointments. I feel like, oh shoot, wait. I don't even remember what I was saying. However, I need to do a classic look so I could do my intro. So yeah, I'm going to try to knock that out shortly. That's really all. I just wanted to say happy Vlogmas. This one is going to be kind of a short one. I'm probably going to let you guys watch a little bit of me edit. I really can't. Well, I can edit this video. You guys can kind of watch me edit. I don't know how you're going to watch me edit this one. I have no clue. But I'm just literally going to edit this video. I would have you guys watch me film a makeup look. Oh, I do have. That's what took me so long, because upon cleaning yesterday, or packing yesterday, I dropped my camera and my HDMI cord was attached, so I needed to get another one so I can see myself on the monitor. So I'm really gonna try to record a few videos, just like not the Vlogmas videos, but the like beauty fragrance type videos, because we move next week, so it's kind of be like scattered everywhere, and just trying to get that house organized and stuff like that. So this one, nothing's on great. So I want to have content out for you guys outside of just Vlogmas. So, but I needed another HDMI cord because I like to see myself on the monitor just to make sure I'm in focus. So this is not it. Is this it? Oh, fuck. I don't think this is it. This, let me check. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. This is not it. Fudge. I wonder if I have one already, which I really don't want to do. But I'm gonna see, because this is this one. So I'm gonna have to use my sister's iPad, and then we'll figure something else out, because I gotta get this look up. Okay, let's fix guys something to eat, and we'll be back. What do you think Vlogmas is?
That's a mint?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a fire.
No, what do you think Vlogmas is?
You vlog in December?
Mommy. Good job. All right, so we are about to do this holiday makeup look. So I'm just kind of prepping, doing my brows, so I don't have to do them on camera. You gonna tell the camera good night?
No, while you were doing
Come on, come here. Tell the vlog good night. Say good night, vlog.
Good night, vlog. Have a good holiday. Vlogmas day 1, check. It's the second day of Christmas.
Yep.
And then the 3rd, then the 4th, then the 5th, then the 6th, then the 7th, then the 8th, then the 9th, then the 10th, then 11, then 12, the 13th, then it's gonna be we have 13 years now. But actually we got
24 days.
24 days.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be doing the classic holiday makeup, the winged liner, the red lip, and I'm just going to show you how to achieve it with some products that are already in my collection. Only thing new that we're going to be playing with is by Ben Nye, and this is the luxury powder. Everything else has been here, so let's jump right into it. There. Scott did her makeup all by herself.
I'm a little bored, so we're gonna play a game.
All right, go to bed, boo boo.
An escape room game.
This is what goes on behind filming. Dogs barking, family talking. Like, this is one of the reasons I can't wait to move, because I have my own office. Even though this is my own office space, it's not closed off with a door where I can shut everybody out. It's kind of like an open space office. So not even a week. Not even a week. Not even a week. Do we notice a difference? Do y'all see a difference in this powder? I've been trying this powder out and I can't tell if I like it or not. So I'm still like trying to see if I like it. But I don't know. What do we think? Does it brighten? That's the main question. Does it brighten? If it doesn't brighten, then I don't know. But yeah, this is gonna be the look for the Vlogmas. Super excited, can't wait to actually get the Vlogmas up because I still have to pick a song. I downloaded a few, but I still have to pick which one is gonna be the official Vlogmas song. So yeah, I don't know, I'm excited, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I just want my phone to charge so we can. Y'all, this is the piece that I cut right here because I wanted layers in my head. Right here, this is what I cut. Adrian would kill me. I'm really gonna try to stick to Vlogmas, even though next week I'm moving. Tell me how that's gonna work out. Battery about to go dead. I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas Day 1.